So hello, today I will show you guys how to change your Gmail name. So first of all, you need to go on Gmail, click on your profile on the right corner, go to the manage your Google account, let's waiting a little bit. Okay, right now you need to go on personal info, scroll down, and on the name tab you need to click on it. Click on the pencil on the right corner here, and there and here you can change your name. So let's put other name, let's say Edwin Smith, and right now I need to press the save button. And that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and see you next time.